but like over here that like we can project onto. And maybe we can just bring these whiteboards around and just clamp to it. What do you think? If not like one of these whiteboards, we can see if they have one of those other trundle carts that might be better for that. But I think we just set up the projector here, we turn off the light, and just project that way.
This is Sam Title.
I'm not eating anything in kosher right now, I promise.
So he's the guy I've been talking a lot about in these videos. So today we're gonna be outlining the backer pieces. So we've got this projector set up, and we're gonna start trying to figure out where we want to make our cuts.
Right now we're just trying to align the digital world and reality. It's giving us a little bit of a headache, but we're gonna get some clamps and really nail some things down as knowns. So we're getting close. Time to trace.
Pretty excited about this panel. This is like the main trunk panel, and you can see it's pretty intricate and pretty awesome. So we're gonna trace this out. Let's have some fun.
Oh yeah. So for this step of the project, we are focusing on projecting the image that we have made in Illustrator onto the plywood sheets at full scale, and we're going through and we're just doing the outline. Here we've got the trunk of the piece in Sharpie, and then we're just drawing little outlines of the inlays, so that way it's easy to associate each of the individual pieces that we'll cut with where they belong in the piece overall.
For the past few weeks, Sam and I have been cutting out pieces for the background of our tree, the ones that we've been tracing. It's kind of slow going. I mean, there's a lot of perimeter on those pieces, so just cutting through them takes a long time. We've done 4, we got 2 more to go, but after that, we've made quite a chunk of progress on this.